Welcome to AI Academy's AI Business Management course. In this course, you'll learn how to leverage AI for better business management. In week 1, we'll start with an overview of AI in business management. You'll learn about AI implementation and management challenges and explore AI business management methodologies. In week 2, we'll focus on AI business strategy and planning. You'll develop an AI business strategy for your organization and identify AI use cases and potential benefits for business management. We'll also help you build an AI business roadmap. In week 3, you'll learn how to use AI for business process improvement. You'll manage AI project teams and stakeholders for business process improvement, identify and optimize AI-driven business processes, and leverage AI for decision-making and risk management. Finally, in week 4, you'll evaluate AI business performance and ROI. You'll learn how to manage AI data and analytics for business performance and continuous improvement of AI business management efforts. Enroll in AI Academy's AI Business Management course today and learn how to leverage AI for better business management.